Well, how's it going, guys? I know it's been a while. After I left, I took a little vacation. Maybe like it's been almost about 3 weeks. I just took off and spent with my family. So I didn't really have much to record. I mean, I know y'all don't follow me to see my family, so you know can't be recording my daily life. But let me see. But in this video, it's just gonna show me spending a little time with not even really with my family. And this video is gonna show me and my brother getting my truck set up for the new job. So me and him was on Facebook Marketplace, and we found a guy selling a headache rack and all the G70 chain that's needed. It was 25-foot chain and a headache rack it was like $1,800. So that's a deal. If you buy chain brand new, especially 3/8 chain, it's going to be at 25 foot. It's going to be like $130 a chain. So 11 chain, a headache rack, 12 binders, 1,800. It's a deal we couldn't pass up. So we bought that. Went and got it. In the video we had already put it up there and are starting our work on this headache rack. So yeah, at this moment I've been up there, got all my decals and got did everything. We're just waiting on registration, and I had a problem with my title, so I had to get that fixed. So now post-production, I'm good. I'm rolling. This video, you'll just see us cutting chain and not having a lot of fun, but just getting prepared for the job. And then the next video, you'll see I'll start training, and then the third video, it's gonna be me by myself. The training part was really for me to get familiar with what we're doing. Because what I do here, I'm not over the road driver. I'm actually pretty much a local driver. I haul equipment from the port and to our yard, and that's kind of all I really do. So, and then from our yard, that's where owner operators, they come pick up the equipment from there after we take it out, and they deliver to their final destination. And then sometimes if we don't have nothing to pull out the port, then we might do a little short run. So far, maybe the guys that I know, my homeboy Sean, they don't go not too far. We don't really leave the state of Georgia. So mostly I'm home every day. So on this new adventure, it's not gonna be much to record because I do the same thing every day. I go to the same place. I kind of haul the same equipment every day. So I don't know how I feel about recording every day or content like that, because it's gonna get repetitive. And we move so fast because we're trying to get the loads delivered. It's trying to cram in many loads as we can during that day to get paid the most amount of money. So yeah, so far it's cool. I like it. Home every day, home every day. So I can't complain about that. But yeah, it's a new. I thought I was gonna be doing over the road flatbed, but that's not what I'm doing. So this is kind of ideal. I think most people would want to be here and do what I'm doing. But from soon as I got on, people were telling me it's pretty hard to get on this company. So take it for what it is, man. Enjoy it. Do your job properly, and you'll make some money. On the first clip, you'll see it's once I stopped driving over the road, I knew I had to go. We had my uncle's 579 that broke down, and we had it fixed. It had some DPF issues. So me and my brother went up there, picked it up, and overnighted it back to Georgia. And then that's when you see us cutting up all this chain and everything for to get my headache rack full and get me ready to roll. So I'm gonna try to start recording not as often as I did over the road, but I will continue to record. But it gets repetitive, like I stated earlier. Yeah, it gets very repetitive. So I'll try to record little bits and pieces of it. You'll see what I do in the next video. You'll see me what I'm talking about, and you'll see a lot of chunks missing because we move so fast. We load it, we chain it up, and we're gone. I only go about 50 miles unload, and then we're trying to head back and hustle back and get some more. So, and then there's port guys that they don't really like you recording in the port, and then other people don't like being on camera. So you kind of got to respect that. So I try to record what I can and then go from there. So enjoy this video, and then please watch the next one to see what we really get into. Thanks. Well, guys, we finally made it here to Racine, Virginia. Me and my brother came here to pick up our 579. It's been repaired. It's probably been here 2 months getting repaired. So we're coming here and taking it to Georgia. But we're here in Racine. From up here, it looks very nice. This is White's Truck Stop, or the Petro now. It used to be called White's Truck Stop. And they've expanded it big time. Even when I started truck driving, this place has been big as hell. So it's big. It's about 4 o'clock in the morning, so we're gonna try to get down back towards the house as soon as possible. So we got a lot to catching up to do. So let's get it.
Somebody called me out this way.
That's just my TikTok reminder when I need to post.
Did I do that?
Yeah, bro, that shit wearing these blades out.
You gotta do that.
Like,
You got the wall, man.
these are some strong ass blades, bro. Shit done wore out like a goddamn inch off this shit. That's wild.
How much that blade go?
$4.
It ain't the best then.
It ain't. Nah, cause I was gonna get the Diablo, but I couldn't find the Diablo blade. And you called me, I'm like, let me hurry up and get the bullshit. Nah, I was gonna get that real deal, but
hooks. You gotta buy more hooks for your shit too. I got the money. You show me why this spot.
It's just, now Amazon, they sell these hooks 10. I just bought mine. They give me a month. The hooks, they like $10. I'll send you the link later. Remind me later.
Alright.
I'll send you the link.
On yours, all we need to really buy is 8 of those, whatever chains remainder, headache rack.
That's it.
And this is probably, this and the headache rack is probably the expensive one.
Right. I can turn this off, bro. Yeah. Cut this whole thing down into that little small.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more loads. More loads. A lot of equipment hauling. So catch y'all on the next one.